That's the twist is on the start. Some methods. Are you saying you've got a supply on? No, I've got a. If anything better. I've got to give them to him before.
Yeah, I thought on those same
Just sort of semi-capable.
Yeah, was that because I checked the continuity of that?
Yeah, it's the first time we checked it. So, yeah,
I checked it here just now.
you did, that's right.
You don't actually use an accident. So from the right then, down the far end please, hands in the air, let's just get this set up properly. Hands in the air, right hand side of the ground line. Parallel. And one hand. Right, okay, ready? And that's better. Hold them there, hold them there. More hands, I need more hands on the right hand side. Okay, ready? Go! Next away, all the way down. Oh dear me. Oh my God, it's moving! It was slow, but it's moving! Oh, look at this! This is a first for the show line. Look here it comes, I'll tell you what, Chris. They're really warming up now, look. There's two of them. So that's good for you, well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was the first of the White Nationals. Anyway, thanks for that, Dave. Moving on now.
Not only is it serving area sergeant, he's a squadron leader, key modeller, he flies the Bmfa Lancaster and the Dakota, and he's never said a word to me about it. He's a very obviously on the Allied side, you would see the C-47 Skygrey. Fantastic aeroplane. There's been all sorts of attempts to keep it going commercially, I mean, the exertions, but they've tried upgrading it with modern day gas turbine engines, turboprop engines, and there are every signs that the aeroplane will literally keep going forevermore, and long may it happen. Thirdly, there's an interesting story I don't know where I heard that story from, but it's supposed to be true. I can't really say I've met any Douglas Dakota pilots.
Hello, Nige. Nice to show your face. That's what?
I do apologise, but some of us have to work for them.
Oh, really? I thought you paid your minions to do that.
I ain't got any more. Too many chiefs and not enough Indians.
However, we'll be continuing here very shortly with Ben Burrell playing his marvellously Hammond 110. I think David on the Adi with some commentary on this next one.
Complete change of pace now as we go from the 50s and we go now to back to the wartime era.
easily one of the top pilots.
He's selected to demonstrate for you today shows that he's quite a brave pilot as well, because the 104, I don't think it takes much explaining, isn't the easiest of planes to fly.
Combination of the Centaurus, the improved airframe, Hawk really had a winner. It was taking very little time back in there. Schedule of matches everything. So we are on the A32, the N94, which flew out alongside the people. But in such a position that the airflow from the
I'll be out there and hope that you can have an experience with it. You're already flying? Why not legit turbine, I imagine. No, not yet. I keep trying to explain the ship.